It's been a long road, and it's been a tough road. Before the surgery, it was miserable. I was exhausted.
What we're doing right now is to have multiple valves, and we can look at the patient anatomy and choose based on the patient anatomy.
I'm not out of breath. I'm able to walk. I'll be able to take my walker and put it back in my van without struggling.
TAVR not only adds years to their life, but adds life to their years.
Strongly recommend it because it's life-changing. That's the only way I can explain it.